Today, we're diving into an exciting tool that lets you transform your Android home screen like never before. Let's explore how this app can enhance your Android experience. This application is a highly customizable widget maker for Android devices, allowing users to create unique and personalized home screen widgets. With an intuitive interface, it offers a wide range of design options, including various layouts, colors, and sizes. Users can incorporate different data sources such as weather updates, calendar events, and system information to create widgets that suit their needs. The app provides a library of pre-designed templates and elements, making it easy for users to start their designs. Additionally, it supports advanced features like animations and interactive components, which enhance the overall user experience. The flexibility and creativity it offers make it a popular choice for those looking to personalize their device's interface. Overall, it's an excellent tool for users who want to bring their home screens to life with tailored widgets. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview inspires you to unleash your creativity and personalize your Android device.